Less than 10% of the ChatGPT's power is now being used by you. Did you know the internet is genuinely accessible? It functions as a voice assistant for your web browser and can provide a PDF of your conversations. Moreover, Google integration is also available. As a result, it will respond to all of your Google questions and searches in addition to the Google results. In today's video, I will explain the tools and techniques that can be used in ChatGPT and how ChatGPT can be used in businesses with examples. Customer service. A chatbot can be used to answer customer inquiries, resolve problems, and provide information about a company's products or services. For example, a chatbot on a retail website could help customers find products, track orders, and make returns. Frequently asked questions. A chatbot can be used to provide answers to common questions, such as store hours, directions, or policies. This can save time for both the customer and the company by eliminating the need for multiple back and forth exchanges. Online transactions. A chatbot can be used to assist with online transactions, such as booking a hotel room or buying a plane ticket. The chatbot can ask questions to gather the necessary information and then complete the transaction. Personal assistant. A chatbot can be used as a personal assistant to help with tasks such as setting reminders, creating to-do lists, and making recommendations. For example, a chatbot integrated with a music streaming service could recommend songs based on the user's listening history. The methods and tools listed below will help you greatly enhance ChatGPT. We are now in ChatGPT. What is the time now? Obviously, ChatGPT is unable to respond to that, so let's try again after enabling this option. This time, as you can see from the search results you gave, it shows the time. It actually looks at the first page of Google and adds information to give you a better response than just randomly browsing the web. Chat Advanced is the name of the Chrome extension. It can be installed. You can choose how many search results you want from what region at what time by refreshing the page. And another pretty great feature is that it includes some references for you. You also have some basic settings right here. For instance, when you click on this number, the reference page opens, showing that this information is available. The ChatGPT adopts its identity at all times. The persona that ChatGPT assumes will be OpenAI by default if you don't choose it. Nonetheless, ChatGPT is not a real person. How do you change that? And why is it useful? Let's say you're launching a new SaaS company and you need help from ChatGPT. You can simply state, "I'm launching a new SaaS business. Can you assist me with that, please?" Thus, the response is only general. Create a company plan after conducting market research. Select a legal framework for your business, etc. Although it's good advice, the response is only general. Let's put our method to use by asking, "I'm launching a new business. Pretend you are a legal advisor. What would your advice be?" This time, a legal expert is speaking to us. We are not just consulting with anyone. In actuality, you should ask as many questions and research as deeply as you can, but for now, I'll just keep it basic. I'm doing an extremely simple version, and I'm only asking one question. This discussion is altogether different. You receive responses from ChatGPT by default as those of a generic person, but you can change that to you would be like a boss who has an expert team for this kind of conversation since it is much richer and more in-depth. You would be like a manager who has a team of experts if you've had conversations with a financial advisor, a lawyer, a successful startup owner, a marketing expert, an experienced programmer, and someone who actually lost his business. This strategy of information extraction from ChatGPT is entirely new. Let's try a more advanced version. For instance, since that ChatGPT has been altered to behave like a Linux terminal. CD desktop. So, by changing its persona, you can actually change the chatbot's behavior. There are many more examples, such as magicians, career counselors, paid behaviorists, personal trainers, and more. It's important to note that ChatGPT should not be trusted for facts, especially on topics that are still in debate. It may be confidently wrong at times. Now that ChatGPT is integrated with Google, when you perform a search for something like "what is artificial intelligence?" you will also see ChatGPT responses on the side in addition to your Google results. Have you ever had a chat with ChatGPT that you wanted to remember because it was so interesting or helpful? So I'm going to go ahead and click share since I think this joke is really fantastic and amusing. And then I'll have a permanent link to this chat that I can save or even share. This extension is called Share GPT. Or you can try this other extension called Chat GPT PDF that provides several export options such as PNG, PDF, or even a full HTML page of the conversation. You go on Twitter and see these mind-blowing images by Midjourney, DALL-E, and you go and try them out. Although this GPT can't replace prompt engineers, it can undoubtedly aid in coming up with descriptions for anything you need. These are a few Midjourney instances from the Chat GPT Plus. You have undoubtedly used Chat GPT whether you are a programmer, software engineer, or even if you are just studying programming. However, using it inside the browser is a bit of a chore. You can use this incredible Versus Code add-on directly inside the coding environment, so that's good. If you are an experienced programmer, it can even optimize your code for you. It can translate code from one language or framework to another, explain the code to you, discover errors in the code, reorganize your code, and more. You can just ask ChatGPT for help if you need to send someone a difficult message but are at a loss for words. For example, my business partner is not investing time and I am not feeling good about it. This is the actual response from Tragic. While it needs improvement, the difficult part, coming up with justifications and considering how to say it in a way that isn't offensive but still effective, is already complete. It only needs a quick polish to be ready to use. Although it's in beta and still in need of improvement, you can use it right away for free. Alternatively, if you're like me and prefer typing to voice instructions, you can use this other extension to quickly use ChatGPT wherever you are in the browser. To access all of these resources and more, click the link in the description. You can look them up if you like. ChatGPT had a genuine chance to be revolutionary. They expanded quickly and with great strength. Share your thoughts in the comment sections. Let's catch up in the next video. Till then, take care.